Hey, and good afternoon. This is Angela from Ask a House Cleaner, and I'm super excited that you guys have joined me today. Today, I'm here with Shari Cedar, and she is brilliant, and I'm super excited to have her back. She runs one of the largest cleaning companies, commercial cleaning companies in the state of Florida that's independently owned and operated. And she runs the business with her husband, and she's just a wealth of information.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. It is wonderful to be here as super treat, and I love your background. I will just continue to say that it's brilliant, colorful, and cheery and happy, which is what cleaning should represent.
We live in a world that's becoming increasingly more dangerous. And although we can do all the training in the world, the situational awareness can save you. Because if you have been trained properly, and like you said, we wear the lanyards with the key card. If for some reason you get locked out when you go out to take out the trash, you have safety to get back inside. It's things like that where you have your card key on your person at all times. If you get locked out and there is an issue and you have to run to your car and get in your car and drive away, at least you have the ability to do that as well. Don't put yourself in harm's way. I love that you have training and you've covered all of those bases. That's
Oh, yeah.
awesome.
I mean, we love situational awareness. We did the training. I loved it so much. I brought it to all my girlfriends and their kids and boyfriends too, friends who are boys. Let me, in case Mark's watching, reiterate that. But, I was like, this is so important. Every human should take this class on these tips of how to be mindful of your awareness. Now, let's just say someone's working in the building and they see a tenant in the building, and this tenant always looks nice, or even a fellow cleaner. They always have their hair neatly back, they're well dressed. They come in one day and their hair's disheveled, they're messy, okay, that something's off. Call your
Mhm.
supervisor right away and let them know. Maybe that person went off medication. Maybe that person went on a bender. Maybe that person had a bad day. But we're not going to allow somebody to be in the path of a potential incident.
Mhm.
So people know you see something, you say something.
And also with situational awareness, especially in office buildings, comes a different set of standards as far as your personal safety. For example, if you have to reach something, oh, there's a cobweb up there and I don't have my long pole. I think I'll stand on this chair that has wheels on it. No, the answer is don't do it. Okay. Don't do it
No.
because situational awareness, if you're alone, especially in a building, and you stand on a chair with wheels on it and you happen to roll out and you fall down and smack your head, you're going to be in a building by yourself and no one can come help you. Right. So you have to always be on your best awareness and say, you know what? I call it a dumb rookie move. That is a dumb rookie move. Don't do that. You have to use your best judgment and your common sense, which hopefully is in tow wherever you go.
Well, okay, to that, also, like, there's something on the ground and it's too heavy to move, don't
Mhm.
move it. Don't hurt your back because that's a real common mistake. Please don't do it. Don't wear flip-flops to work. Wear closed-toe, skid-proof shoes, which is required for some of our buildings or customers. We supply the shoes. What are some other things? Oh, be mindful when you're mopping. This is why I love microfiber mops and not the string mops because I don't like the water everywhere. But,
Mhm.
have a system in how you're working so there's no slip and fall. All these little details are just so important because if you cannot work, you cannot earn a living. Your body is your most important asset.
Great advice, as always. Oh, I love this. All right, you guys, thanks so much for joining me here today. Thank you, Shari. This has been enlightening and informational and entertaining. So, thank you. I appreciate you guys dropping in today to visit with us and to share this information. So, until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.
Yes. Shine brighter.